I bet you have seen those TV commercials for Applebee's with the O-M burger, the cheesy, gooey goodness. And you wondered if it really is as good as they show on the TV commercial. Well, today we're at Applebee's for our Friday food review. This is Rockin' Robin. We are going to have a 2 for $25, the new 2 for $25, and we are going to have the O-M burger and see if it is as good as it looks. So here is Applebee's 2026 2 for $25 meal deal. You get a choice of 2 salads or a queso or onion rings, mozzarella sticks, boneless wings, and you get a choice of what you want as an entree. Certain entrees do cost more, so be aware of that. Not everything on this list is 2 for $25. A few you have to add $2.50 or $3.50 depending on what it says. Now we wanted to try the O-M burger because we've seen it on TV and boy does it look good. So we had definitely had that one. And then we decided that we were also going to try the chicken parmesan fettuccine. Now that was an additional $2.50, but we wanted to see what that was like. So we got 2 salads to go with it as our side. You get one of the other things or 2 salads. And I had a regular garden salad. My partner had the Caesar salad because she loves Caesar salads. And that was our side. But you know, you have a good variety. The other things you only get one. So here is the O-M Cheeseburger. Now, first thing I want to tell you is that it is really, really hot. It is sizzling, so be careful. There is a lot of cheese. The French fries get a little soft because of so much cheese. And there is a lot of meat. Look at that sizzle, really sizzling. There is a lot of meat. This is the chicken parmesan fettuccine. Now, it's really odd because the sauce is fettuccine sauce, you know, Alfredo sauce, and the chicken is parmesan. So it's like I want a red sauce or a white sauce. You got both. So I am going to try the O-M Cheeseburger. You can see it. The burger itself is huge, and there's 3 kinds of cheeses on it. There's also bacon and some kind of honey mustard sauce, but it was really good. It's very tasty, but be careful. It's really hot. Don't burn yourself. Now, this one was very crispy. It seemed like it had a lot of flavor, almost like it had a bacon on top. It was very good, but it was very odd to have a red sauce and a white sauce in one. Now you can see once you have a bite that it's still really good inside. I thought it would be messier than it is. It's a little messy, but not that bad. But all the flavors were good. The burger was big. There was lots of cheese. It was very delicious. So overall, we are going to give Applebee's a B+. Now, we didn't give it an A because I thought the sauce was kind of odd with the chicken and the Alfredo. But the chicken itself was better than the Olive Garden. And the O-M burger was excellent. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up, and watch all our Friday food reviews.